So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you the review of iOS 17 RC that Apple released recently. So in this video we will discuss about the battery draining or not on that update. As you can see, this is iPhone XS and right now it's running on that update. Okay, firstly we move to the settings section to check the battery health of that iPhone and then see the all activity. You can see appears on screen iPhone settings option. Scroll down and after that you need to scroll down again. Okay, now you can see a person screen showing here battery section. Okay, select the battery. Okay, you can see a person screen. This iPhone have already battery on service and actual battery health is 17.3. Okay, now go back and check the other activity. You can see a person screen battery level and also showing last charge. Okay, now see the app that using right now battery. You can see appears on screen CapCut, Safari, White Studio and other app that still using that iPhone battery level is going well. Okay, now check the other activity, show more activity and you can see appears on screen here are showing also time that apps using how much time on that iPhone and the battery level is still stable. So friends, overall iOS 17.rc battery is going well and it's giving the very good battery life. So friends, after watching this video, you can easily understand how's the battery backup on that update and it's stable update, so you can easily install it in your iPhone if you want to worry about the battery health issue. So friends, hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.